Welcome, in front of me say OPPO A53, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, we will need this SIM eject tool that I have just dropped. There we go. Now this comes provided with the device. You can get it from the box, and from there, once you have it, simply pop out the tray that is located on the upper left side of the device, looking like it. So as you can see, there it is. Push it in, and the tray pops out along with the hideous wallpaper showing up. So once you take it out, as you can see, you have space for 2 SIM cards. So you have 2 specifically individual SIM trays, and from there you also have a individual SD tray. So place your cards on there, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and from there, while holding it securely, you want to insert it back into the device. So keep holding the cards, because otherwise they would just kind of fall out. And once you insert it all the way, you should see a pin for the SIM card. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's for me. And it takes us back to the lock screen for some reason. So let's unlock it again. And obviously the SD card is working as well. So SIM and SD are working. And that is basically how you would insert it into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.